Hello everyone. This video will show you how to disable rounded corners in Windows 11. Open your browser, and head over to this link and download the win11 disabler rounded corners.exe file. Link download in the description. Once the file is downloaded, open File Explorer. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. In the next window, click on More Info and then select Run Anyway. Now wait for a couple of minutes and then head over to your Windows 11 desktop. Right-click anywhere on the screen and select Refresh. This should successfully disable the rounded corners in your operating system. Thanks for watching this video.